circuit produces a sound like a modern British rail horn. Indeed, it begins with a low-pitched tone, and after about half a second, the pitch rises slightly and stays high as long as the push button is held. IC2 is the tone generator, while IC1 controls the timing of the pitch change. When the switch is first pressed, IC1's output is low, keeping TR1 off, and VR1 is effectively placed across R6, giving the initial lower pitch. As C1 charges, the voltage at IC1's non-inverting input increases until it exceeds the inverting input voltage. At that moment, IC1's output goes high, turning TR1 on and producing the higher pitch. VR1 is adjusted to set the exact amount of pitch rise for a realistic sound. As you can see, my circuit works as intended. When I press the switch, it first produces a lower sound, and after a brief delay, the pitch rises, giving the second higher tone. Adjusting VR1 changes the pitch of the second sound, which confirms that the circuit responds correctly and produces the two tones in the proper order.